Okay, Monzo, Florino, the game of catch, their style. Go.
Oh, that's more like tennis.
And it's a catch! The score is 1-1.
Okay.
And let's see.
I'm going to try underhand this time.
There's the ball. Whoa! Oh, I'm into this style. Rocketed right back. And again! Wow! And again! And again!
She didn't know to.
She catches it. That makes the score 5-1. First one to 10 wins.
Okay, drop. Back to catch.
Oh, it's 5-2.
You better watch yourself or she'll be swallowing.
Okay. Drop.
Oh, 6-2.
Oh, good
6-3.
Okay. Okay.
You want it that badly.
Ouch.
Yeah. You want it that badly, it must be valuable.
Oh, she's trying to make a comeback. 6-5. 1 point differential.
Blurry.
Who knows what will happen? It's a tie game. 6-6.
Drop.
Who's gonna win this?
Drop.
Oh, it's a nail biter.
Oh, come on. Give me the ball back.
You have 10 seconds to drop the ball, or else you lose a point first. Oh, make it 7-6 for Monzo. Where'd the ball go?
Flurry's mouth, of course.
Okay.
Oh, 8-7. It's 8-6 now.
Okay.
2 points away.
Toss it back at me. Let's see. Oh.
And that's a catch. 8-7 is the score.
Okay, drop.
Oh,
You're getting good.
8 is the score.
You're
It's a
getting
complete
good.
tie game. Flurry could take the lead. No, it's Monzo, and I am getting the ball now, wherever it went. So Monzo will make a diversion while I get the ball. Good
Hi,
job!
Lori. You're part of the diversion. There's Sam in the background.
Yeah!
Balls
Okay,
are
I'll take
covered.
the ball back.
That's a camera shot.
And it's 9-8, the score for Flurry.
Oh, no.
It's a catch. Flurry wins.
Good job,
Flurry wins the championship.
Good girl.
Amazing. And she gets a pat as a reward. And now